if you asked me like a year ago, I would have said, no, it must be alien technology, blah, blah, blah. The more I learn about the science and the more I find all this science and scientists and engineers out there talking about this since the 80s, the more sure I am about, or less sure I am about where this all comes from. Like, to me now, everything's on the table. It could be a situation where aliens are a big psyop, and I would argue they are a psyop even if they exist, because we're dangling the keys saying, look over here at aliens, all these disclosure advocates, all these UFO hearings that we're doing in Congress. Where are the biologics? Where are the alien bodies? In order for us to actually teleport an object like that, I think the holographic principle has to be true, which presents the idea that all points in space and time are connected. This is actually what Ben Rich's response was when Ben Rich, director of Lockheed Martin Skunk Works for 16 years, he says, we had the power to take ET home. Anything that you could imagine, we've already figured it out, but it's stuck in black projects that will take an act of God to get access to. Well, I'm not God, but I'm exposing that technology to the world. And somebody asked him, like, when you said all that, what did you mean by that? And he goes, well, let me ask you this. How does ESP work? And the guy goes, well, that's a weird question. He goes, well, all points in space and time are connected. And Ben Rich says, exactly.